Good morning, students. Now we are going to talk about some of the questions. Those are not directly in the form of quadratic equations, but they can be converted into quadratic equations by using some formulas that we already know. So, first type of problem that we are going to talk about is question is 4 multiply x minus 1 over x whole square plus 8 multiply x plus 1 over x is equal to 29. So we have to solve this. So looking at this question involves two terms, x minus 1 over x and x plus 1 over x. So we already know one relationship between these two, that is x plus 1 over x whole square minus x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 4. Now how to use this in the question? So here we will look at the term that is without power. So looking at this question, this term x plus 1 over x is without power. So we will substitute this. So we will write let x plus 1 over x is equal to y. So this implies, using this in the formula, this implies y square minus x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 4. So this gives us x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to y square minus 4. So now using the formula, we have got two things that we have to substitute: x plus 1 over x equal to y and x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to y square minus 4. We will use these two things in the question. So using these, using in given equation, we get, so what we get is 4 multiply y square minus 4 plus 8y is equal to 29. Now on solving this, 4y square minus 16 plus 8y minus 29 is equal to 0. From here we get 4y square plus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0. Now looking at this, so this is the standard form of quadratic equations. Now we can simplify this. So now I am using factorization. So on multiplying these, 45 multiply 4, we get 180. So we need to find two terms, adding or subtracting gives us 8. So 18 multiply 10 is 180. So I am writing this middle term as 4y square plus 18y minus 10y minus 45 is equal to 0. So 2y is common from these two. So this becomes 2y plus 9 and minus 5 is common. So this remains 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. So now 2y plus 9 is common between the two. So this will be 2y plus 9 multiply 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So by using zero product rule, 2y plus 9 is equal to 0 or 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Either of the two will be equal to 0. So from here I get y is equal to minus 9 over 2 or y is equal to 5 over 2. These are the two values that we have got for y. Now this was not our required solution. We need to find the values of x. So now we will solve for x. Since for y is equal to minus 9 over 2 means 1 x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 9 over 2. On solving this becomes x square plus 1 over x is equal to minus 9 over 2. Now I am taking this to this. So on cross multiplication we get 2x square plus 2 is equal to minus 9x. So this gives 2x square plus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now once again this is the standard form, but 2 2s are 4 and we are not having any two values such that their product is 4 and addition subtraction is 9. So now we will have to use the quadratic formula. So I am using x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So this gives x is equal to minus 9 plus minus 9 square is 81, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So 81 minus 16 is 65. So minus 9 plus minus root 65 over 4. So these are the two values that we have got from here, minus 9 plus root 65 over 4 or minus 9 minus root 65 over 4. You can find the value of root 65 from the table and solve it further to reduce it into decimal form. Also we have got y is equal to 5 over 2. So now solving for y is equal to 5 over 2, so x plus 1 over x equal to 5 over 2. This becomes x square plus 1 over x equal to 5 over 2. Now we can solve it further. So now this will become 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x. So now 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form now. So 2 multiply 2 is 4 and 4 can be broken down into two factors, 4 and 1, so that their sum will be 5. So 2x square, I am splitting this minus 5x into minus 4x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x is common from these two, so this x minus 2 minus 1 is common from these two, so x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now therefore this will be x minus 2 multiply 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now once again using zero product, x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So this gives us x is equal to 2 and 1 over 2. So therefore we have got four values of x. First value is minus 9 plus root 65 over 2. Second value is minus 9 minus root 65 over 2. Third value is 2 and fourth value is 1 over 2. So these are the possible roots of the equation. Now you can try some of the remaining questions based on this part.